Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to make a simple calculator by using 4 lines of code in Excel VBA. By using 4 lines of code of VBA, I have prepared a calculator and I want to show it how it works. This is the demo that I have made with the help of 4 lines of code here. More than 4 lines code have also been used. We'll discuss about discount, total, customer name and date in the next video. Today we'll just learn about how to make a simple calculator using just 4 lines of code. Here I have written first number, second number, then result will be displayed in this box, and discount and amount of discount to be paid after discount, and total amount to be paid to the shopkeeper. So let's see how it works. First number I want to put some one number here, then another number in the second box, then I want to add it. Here is the result. If I give 2% discount, then click here. Discount is 60 rupees, and then net, what will be the net total? Just click on the total button. Then this is the net total to be paid to the shopkeeper. If you want to save all these numbers on the worksheet, you can do so. I have prepared I have also prepared a worksheet. I just want to save it. Just click on save. The amounts have already been got saved in the worksheet. If you want to see it, just click here. Click on the close button. This is the amount that I have entered in the calculator. So in this way, how we can make a simple calculator? Let's start. I want to open a new sheet. This is the new sheet where we can make a new calculator by using 4 lines of VBA code. This is the developer tab. If the developer tab is not showing on your sheet or Excel sheet, then go to file menu, click on file menu and come down. Here is an option. It itself is option. Click here, then click on customize ribbon. Then on the right side here, so many commands are there. Here one command is a developer tab. It has been tick marked. If it is not tick marked, then you have to tick mark it like this and press OK. Then the developer tab will get activated. Next work is to insert a user form. Here this is the insert menu. Click on it, then click on Visual Basic, and if you click on it, the Visual Basic window will be opened, or you can press Alt F11 on the keyboard so that the Visual Basic window will be opened. Clicking here on Visual Basic, I'll insert a new user form. Here I'll put some labels. This is the toolbox. This is for label. I'll take another text box. This is for this label. This is text box. Just increase the font size. Go to the properties. Here this is the font. Click here. OK. Then 4 command buttons are required for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Remove this one. First copy this one, press below, third, fourth one. These are the command buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Name it. Go to properties. Here this is the caption. You can change right here the caption of the button. These are the 4 operators using which we can calculate. This is the result box, and one more command box I want to take. Here is the shape button. You rename it, just shape. Here is another button that will be named as close. First we have to write down the coding of for addition. Just double click here for getting results. This is the text box 3. We want to get result in the text box 3 by adding 2 numbers or multiplying 2 numbers or dividing 2 numbers. Let's will get the results in the box against result. Double click here, text box 3 dot text. This is the online code for addition. We will copy this particular line and paste for the another 3 boxes. Click here and double click on the minus command button, paste here, just change the symbol minus, then go to user form. Again third button is multiplication, just paste and change the sign. Here we will use into multiplication sign. Next go to command button again, and here double click and paste the same code, and you just change here sign division. In this way we have completed the coding part. Let's see whether the calculator works or not. After coding is over, you can see here this is run menu is here named run. Just click on it. You can see run sub or user form, or you can press F5 on the keyboard. This is the calculator that we have made. I just want to add 2 numbers. Press on plus sign. This is the result, and then I want to multiply it. Result has already been changed. If you want to divide it, this is the result. If you want to minus it, this is the result. In this way we can make a simple calculator by using 4 lines of simple code of VBA. In the next video we will discuss about how to save and close and discount and percentage button that we have already seen in the introduction part of this video. Thank you very much friends for watching this video.